This is how you can turn a photo upside down in Google Docs. I have this photo that I want to rotate by 180 degrees. Basically, the head is going to be facing down. And to do that, I can use this control point at the very top of the image. And I'm going to click it and drag it to the very bottom. And by the way, if you want to get the precise angle, I highly recommend to press and hold Shift key on the keyboard. And this will make the rotation to look a bit jaggy, but this is something that we want to achieve precisely. So now the image has been rotated. Another way to rotate the image quickly is by using another menu. So just click on the image, click image options, and go to size and rotation. And then here you can change the rotation to whatever angle you want, or you can also use this preset that rotates the image by 90 degrees. So I think this is going to be the most popular option. And by the way, I highly recommend to go with the 90-degree option, because if you, let's say, rotate the image to an arbitrary number like this, it's going to waste a lot of space on your document. And if you are fine with that, then this style is possible. But if you want to make your document look tidy, then just use that 90-degree rotation. Anyway, that's how you can turn a photo upside down in Google Docs. I hope that helps.